وما ظلمناهم ولكن ظلموا أنفسهم فما أغنت عنهم آلهتهم التي يدعون من دون الله من شيء لما جاء أمر ربك وما زادوهم غير تتبيب.
We did not wrong them, it is rather they who wronged themselves. And when the command of your Lord came to pass, the gods whom they had called upon instead of Allah did not avail them in the least. They added nothing to them except ruin.
وكذلك أخذ ربك إذا أخذ القرى وهي ظالمة إن أخذه أليم شديد.
Such is the seizing of your Lord, that when He does seize the towns immersed in wrongdoing, His seizing is painful, terrible.
إن في ذلك لآية لمن خاف عذاب الآخرة ذلك يوم مجموع له الناس وذلك يوم مشهود.
Surely in that is a sign for him who fears the chastisement of the hereafter. That will be a day when all people shall be mustered together. That will be a day when whatever happens shall be witnessed by all.
وما نؤخره إلا لأجل معدود.
Nor shall we withhold it except till an appointed term.
يوم يأتي لا تكلم نفس إلا بإذنه فمنهم شقي وسعيد.
And when the appointed day comes, no one shall even dare to speak except by the leave of Allah. Then some will be declared wretched, others blessed.
فأما الذين شقوا ففي النار لهم فيها زفير وشهيق.
As for the wretched, they shall be in the fire, and in it they shall sigh and groan.
خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك إن ربك فعال لما يريد.
They shall abide in it as long as the heavens and the earth last, unless your Lord should will otherwise. Surely your Lord does whatsoever He wills.
وأما الذين سعدوا ففي الجنة خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك عطاء غير مجذوذ.
And as for those who are blessed, they shall abide in the garden as long as the heavens and the earth last, unless your Lord should will otherwise. They shall enjoy an unceasing gift.
فلا تك في مرية مما يعبد هؤلاء ما يعبدون إلا كما يعبد آباؤهم من قبل وإنا لموفوهم نصيبهم غير منقوص.
O Prophet, have no doubt about what they worship, for they worship what their fathers worshipped before, and yet we shall grant them their due portion in full, diminishing of it nothing.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب فاختلف فيه ولولا كلمة سبقت من ربك لقضي بينهم وإنهم لفي شك منه مريب.
And we certainly gave Moses the book before, and there arose disagreements about it, even as there are disagreements now about the book revealed to you. Had it not been for a decree that had already gone forth from your Lord, the matter disputed among them would have long been decided. Indeed, they are in a disquieting doubt about it.
وَإِنَّ كُلًّا لَمَّا لَيُوَفِّيَنَّهُمْ رَبُّكَ أَعْمَالَهُمْ إِنَّهُ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرٌ.
Surely your Lord will recompense all to the full for their deeds, for indeed He is well aware of all what they do.
فاستقم كما أمرت ومن تاب معك ولا تطغوا إنه بما تعملون بصير.
So, O Muhammad, remain steadfast in following the right way, and let those with you who have returned with you to the fold of faith and obedience follow the right way, as you were commanded, and do not exceed the proper limits of devotion to Allah. For certainly He is aware of all that you do.
ولا تركنوا إلى الذين ظلموا فتمسكم النار وما لكم من دون الله من أولياء ثم لا تنصرون.
And do not incline towards the wrongdoers, lest the fire seize you, and then you have none to protect you against Allah, and then you will not be helped from anywhere.
وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةَ طَرَفَيِ النَّهَارِ وَزُلَفًا مِّنَ اللَّيْلِ إِنَّ الْحَسَنَاتِ يُذْهِبْنَ السَّيِّئَاتِ ذَلِكَ ذِكْرَى لِلذَّاكِرِينَ.
And establish the prayer at the two ends of the day and in the first hours of the night. Indeed, the good deeds drive away the evil deeds. This is a reminder to those who are mindful of Allah.
واصبر فإن الله لا يضيع أجر المحسنين.
And be patient, for indeed Allah never lets the reward of those who do good go to waste.
فلولا كان من القرون من قبلكم أولو بقية ينهون عن الفساد في الأرض إلا قليلا ممن أنجينا منهم واتبع الذين ظلموا ما أترفوا فيه وكانوا مجرمين.
Why were there no righteous persons among the generations that passed away before you, who would forbid others from causing corruption on earth? And if such were there were only a few whom we had saved from those generations, or else the wrongdoers kept pursuing the ease and comfort which had been conferred upon them, thus losing themselves in sinfulness.
وما كان ربك ليهلك القرى بظلم وأهلها مصلحون.
And your Lord is not such as would wrongfully destroy human habitations while their inhabitants are righteous.
ولو شاء ربك لجعل الناس أمة واحدة ولا يزالون مختلفين.
Had your Lord so willed, He would surely have made mankind one community. But as things stand, they will not cease to differ among themselves, and to follow erroneous ways.
إلا من رحم ربك ولذلك خلقهم وتمت كلمة ربك لأملأن جهنم من الجنة والناس أجمعين.
Except for those on whom your Lord has mercy. And it is for this exercise of freedom of choice that He has created them, and the word of your Lord was fulfilled. Indeed, I will fill the hell with jinn and mankind altogether.
وَكُلًّا نَقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ أَنْبَاءِ الرُّسُلِ مَا نُثَبِّتُ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ وَجَاءَكَ فِي هَذِهِ الْحَقُّ وَمَوْعِظَةً وَذِكْرَى لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
O Muhammad, we narrate these anecdotes of messengers to you that we may strengthen your heart through them. In these anecdotes come to you the truth and an exhortation and a reminder for the believers.
وَقُلْ لِلَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ اعْمَلُوا عَلَى مَكَانَتِكُمْ إِنَّا عَامِلُونَ.
As for those who are bent on not believing, tell them, work according to your way, and we are working according to ours.
وَانْتَظِرُوا إِنَّا مُنْتَظِرُونَ.
And do wait for the end of things, we too are waiting.
وَلِلَّهِ غَيْبُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُ الْأَمْرُ كُلُّهُ فَاعْبُدْهُ وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَيْهِ وَمَا رَبُّكَ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ.
All that is hidden in the heavens and the earth lies within the power of Allah. To Him are all matters referred for judgment. So do serve Him and put in Him all your trust. Your Lord is not heedless of what you do.